Alright, today I'm doing my penny game video. So I'm just going to start. So we know that player 1 can never lose if we disregard human error. Player 1 wants there to be an odd number of pennies since the last player to play wins. So we know if there's an odd number, then player 1 will win. If it's an even number, player 2 will win. So player 1 wants to be an odd number. To make sure that we can do this properly, we're going to use the 180-degree strategy. So the first thing that we're going to do is player 1 is going to go in the middle. So we're going to make it there. And then wherever player 2 goes, we have to make sure this is exactly in the middle. Remember, we're disregarding human error. So the next thing we're going to do after that is wherever player 2 goes, so player 2 goes there, we're going to go exactly 180 degrees around and get it exactly the distance off of both sides. And we're going to continually do that throughout the game. So player 2 goes there, we're going to come over here. One's going to go there. And we're always going to have a spot open for player 1. We know this because if player 1 wants to go here, but there's already a penny here, we know that that can't happen, because in order for that to happen, there would have to be a penny over here that player 2 would go on like that, and we know that we can't overlap, so we know that there can't be 2 pennies, so we know that there's always going to be a spot open for player 1 to go. And then once we do that, we can figure out that we can pair up the groups that we already have out there. So we can pair up like these two and pair up these two, and then as you continue playing, the board will be more and more full, and you keep filling them up. So if 1 goes there, or 2 goes there, 1 goes there, we know that that one and that one will be paired up. And once we figure it all out, we figure out there's an odd number because this one in the middle does not have a pair, and if it doesn't have a pair, then we know it's an odd number because even numbers pair up. And if it doesn't have a pair, we know it's odd, and if it's odd, we know that player 1 wins.